Oh no! The biggest, baddest villain has arrived on Sodor, Darth Vader. And he's on an AT-AT, being very disruptive. Thomas then arrived. What on earth is that? He thought. Luckily, the shots missed, so Thomas ran away. Hi Thomas, said Percy. Are you alright? You look like you've seen a ghost. Darth Vader's here, cried Thomas. Darth Vader? Oh, I'd love to have a quick look, replied Percy, and he hurried off. Meanwhile, Darth Vader was on the move. Han Solo and Chewbacca were nearby. Did you hear that, Chewie? Asked Han. Replied Chewbacca.
I've got you now, Solo,
said Darth Vader. Luckily, Percy arrived. Wow, it's really him, said Percy. But Thomas didn't mention that he's on a huge AT-AT. Han and Chewie quickly climbed aboard Percy so they could all escape. This really annoyed Darth Vader. Percy made it back to his shed. Han and Chewie got out. Thank you, Percy, said Han. No problem, said Percy. But what are we going to do? I don't know, but I know who can help, replied Han. Soon, Luke Skywalker arrived. Hi Luke, Darth Vader's here with an AT-AT. Can you help? Well, I've got an idea, but I'll need a very brave engine. Oh, I guess it's my turn, after you saved Han and Chewie, said Thomas. So Luke explained his plan. They then sprung into action. Thomas pulled Luke along with a huge ball of string. They stopped right by the AT-AT and Luke got off. He tied the string around one leg and then they hurried off. As Thomas circled around the AT-AT, so did the string. He circled around it a few times. When they had circled around enough, Luke cut the string so they could escape to a safe distance. The AT-AT tried walking, but the string stopped the legs from moving properly. Darth Vader sensed the problem, so jumped off.
No!
And he ran off. Thomas and Luke returned to the sheds. Well done, said Percy. Yeah, you guys did great, said Han. Said Chewbacca. Everyone was relieved that Sodor was safe again. Hi, I'm Dave, and thank you for watching my video, which featured the amazing remote control AT-AT vehicle. We loved how easy it was to use, and how unbelievably realistic it was. Its back legs rotate so it can move in any direction, forwards and backwards. And it also has realistic firing sounds and movements. Thanks again for watching. Here's another video you may have missed.